Hey, that's pretty good.
Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making egg tarts, which is a buttery and flaky pastry filled with sweet custard. Also, we are now at 105 subs, so if we could get 5 people to hit that subscribe button, then we would hit 110. Let's start cooking. To start with the custard, begin by cracking 2 whole eggs into a small bowl/container. Doing this makes it way easier to separate just the egg yolks. Next, using a spoon, transfer just the egg yolks into a bowl. There can't be any egg whites in the custard, so if necessary, use your hand to remove them. Set the egg whites aside and add 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar. Then add 1/4 cup of whole milk. And finally, add 1/2 cup of whipping/heavy cream. And finally, using a whisk, mix the custard for 2 to 3 minutes, or until it looks like this. Then empty the custard into a pitcher so that it makes it easier to fill in the tarts. Then preheat your oven to 400 degrees. Now in a pan lined with parchment paper, add 5 egg tarts. I put 7, but I didn't even make enough. Now fill each tart 90% of the way with the pitcher. I realized that this recipe yields 5 once I saw I couldn't do more than 5. Once it's done preheating, place all of the tarts in the oven. And now bake at 400 degrees for 25 minutes or until crispy. Finally, take it out and let it cool on a rack for 10 minutes. These look pretty good if I do say so myself. Hello everybody, so I have my egg tart here, and honestly, this came out way better than I expected, and it looks just like my mom's, so yeah. Oh, that's nice. Nice, sweet, very creamy. Overall, delicious. Solid 9 out of 10. Well, thanks for watching, guys, and we'll probably hit 110 soon.